Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygos here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and why it's going to the moon. Well, the moon, there is a something going on, in this madness. So let's get started with Elliott wave structure here. So what is going on Bitcoin, guys? Well, we started here back in when was this, guys? In March. Right, the run started, so we had a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Now we're gonna get a 5, right? So, and this is how I see it, guys. This is how I see it, and as you can see, the trend's still intact. And this is a 3-day. This is a 3-day. Even if it will bounce here, the trend will be intact. But usually in Elliott wave, it goes 3 times up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So after the 5th wave, so it's a 1 drive, 2 drive, and 3 drive. Then it goes down, right? It goes A, and then B, and then C. So basically, what we're looking for right now is our target still. Has the target been reached? And my answer to that is no. Because of pretty simple facts, right? If you look at Fibonacci here, so we do a extension from the top, right, and we go to the bottom here. Where did we get to? 2.618. 2.618, guys. That was our second drive up. Now I know in Elliott wave the second drive is the biggest, right? Which is it's the 3rd wave and the 5th wave. But in crypto, guys, the 5th wave is quite often the biggest. So I want to see at least a 2.618. Well, where is that? Let's go from the top to the bottom here, right? Where is that gonna be? Where's this wick on the top gonna be? A 2.618, guys. We want to see that, right? We want to see $8,000, guys. That's what we want to see. I'm not sure if it will happen, but that's why all my red lines are here. They're on the fib levels. So every fib level I look carefully. The next target's obviously at 7k, 6.9, but yeah, 7k basically. You want to sell like before 7k if that would be the top, right? You can scale out a little bit if you want. I personally stay in Bitcoin until the trend, this steep trend, is broken. Because when it breaks, it will do something like this. It will go down. Let's say it goes to here, right? Go down, and then it goes back up to test it, and then goes further down. The second top is often like smaller, but still it will get back there, right? You can see that here, guys. So let's say you were in this rally, in the previous rally, this one here. Well, right. Let me draw a trend here. If you had like, this was a steep trend, right? This was a steep trend. So when it went down, it went back up to test that line. Well, that line is not just the line there. That line is a lot more than that. That's also a fib. So if you get the Fibonacci here, from the top to this bottom, well, where did it get to? To the green zone, to the 618, 786. In between there, you want to sell when it comes back up. When you know that we hit the top, that we hit a significant Fibonacci level already, which was the 2.618. Remember from the other run up? So then you want to sell in the 618 or 786. I know this might be all very technical, but still, that is kind of how I play the market. That's how I see it. Now, will I sell my Bitcoin? Probably not. Will I jump into altcoins when we get to one of these fib levels up here? Yeah. I'm looking at NEO, I'm looking at ADX, I'm looking at Ethereum, I'm looking at Litecoin, looking at like, you hear me saying all the big names, right? I'm not looking at no funky coins, guys. Because the big coins, like, the bigger ones that always move on Bittrex, they're the ones that will most likely move. You know, it's quite simple. So also let's take a look at some momentum of Bitcoin. Where are we going right now? So you saw that in the daily, when we were here, we were at the top, like we were being at the top for a while. So it had to calm down, so to speak. The momentum had to come down, and it went actually to the oversold levels here on the stock RSI not even close, but and then now it's trying to turn. That's really good, because what happened when it turned here? Well, we had a long run, didn't we? We had a long run. So we can still have a long run, guys. It can definitely go further. You know, people who say like, yeah, Bitcoin's already done. No. So if you look at the 3-day, it's even trying to turn. But obviously this one's still very overbought. But 3-day is a very long time frame, guys. 1 day, this can go for a few more days to hit that 7K or 8K perhaps. So if we look at the 12-hour, it reset. See? Perfectly. 6-hour, what did it do? It reset. It's getting a bit tired, but I think we can go higher. 4-hour, it's about tired, right? I mean, we might get a little pullback, and then we go further. 3-hour. All right. See, there's no stock RSI for some reason. I don't know. Yo, what's up, dude? Where ya? I don't know. Can't see that for now. 2-hour. We're way overbought. 1 hour, but what's really good, guys, I love the 6-hour and the 4-hour. So I always draw my triangles, right? So you can see we have this is the trend we're on. See, boom, when it hits, we go further. When it hits here, almost hit, we go further. That just tells me this trend is strong, and I drawn this little downtrend here to see if we could break it, or if we stay in this triangle. And we broke it, guys, and not even when it's super tight. So that is good news. That means the market is really strong, because we broke it when it had to go all the way from here to there and then break it, instead of where it could just bounce around here and then at some point break it here, which is much easier. But obviously I also have the chance of going down then, which is not that cool. So yeah, right now we're going up. So guys, the trend is your friend. As long as the trend is intact, stay bullish. Stay bullish. Alright? Don't sell. I know some people who sold here. Well, what are they thinking now? Oh shit, I need to chase the market. They need to chase the market 9% higher. Or 8%. Right? You don't want to be one of them. You just don't. You want to be with the trend. Trend's your friend, guys. If the trend breaks, so be it. Let's say, right? Let's say it breaks, and you actually want to sell your Bitcoin, or you want to go into altcoins, whatever. So let's say it goes down here. Well, if it goes down here, well, what did I say will happen then? It will. I'll draw it. It will go down here, and then we go back up for the bounce, for the ABC. So that was a point A, and where do you sell at point B? Somewhere around here, 5.6K. It's not that bad, and then we go further down. That's a possibility. But right now, it's looking good, because we broke downtrend. We might consolidate here for a little bit. I mean, this is a big trend. This is a big support line and resistance line. So we could be here for a few days to reset some of these lower time frames, and then go higher. That's what I see with Bitcoin, guys. I mean, it's up to you how you see Bitcoin, but this is how I see it. I just want to let you all know. So my targets are 7K, 7.5, 7.7, 8. Well, I mean, if we really go parabolic, guys, 10K, right? 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. They're all Fibonacci extensions, guys. And they could be hit, but that needs some like crazy FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out, so people want jumping in at the very top. if you're not in Bitcoin yet, wait for a little pullback and get yourself in. And I'm not meaning like a little pullback like this far, right? I mean a proper pullback. It might even go all the way back down here. Who knows? As long as we stay above this downtrend, like we have this downtrend. If it stays above this line, it could literally consolidate down like this and then poof off. So yeah, wait for a little pullback. If pullback doesn't happen, don't be like this guy that just jumps in, right? No. If we break out with nice volume here, I'd say yeah, jump in, because then you will go from 6.2 at least to 7. But well, 6.9, right? Nearly 7. So then it's worth it. But don't guess it, right? Don't gamble it. Don't guess it. So this is obviously the uptrend. So we could right now go to 6.2k, or if we break out of this wedge, then it's going FOMO, guys. If this top line breaks, this horizontal one, or I mean diagonal one, yeah, if the wedge breaks to the upside, that a lot of people go FOMO then. And it will be funny to see. Obviously I'm in Bitcoin. I'm always in Bitcoin. So yeah, don't be in alts right now. I mean, if you want, you can trade alts on very low time frames to just in and out, right? When Bitcoin's taking a little dip on the lower time frames, like on the 1 hour it will take dips, on the 15-minute it will take dips. But as you can see, 1 day is about to be reset. 12 hours being strong. 6 hours. See, these need to reset. 6 hour needs to reset a little bit. 4 hour needs to reset a little bit. But that can all happen in a day. So yeah, just take that. And yeah, guys, trade safely and don't lose too much. Just try to gain, right? It's not hard to gain on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is an instrument that only goes up. This crypto only goes up, guys. I mean, I've been in there since somewhere here, right? So I've only seen it going up. Now, yes, we could go down, of course, and I expect us to go down after the 3 waves, the 3 ones up, right? But yeah, because it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an A, B, C. Even in the big time frame, it's gonna be A, B, C, right? And then we'll probably get somewhere around here, 3k, maybe 3.5. Who knows? But that is also measurable, guys, by Fibonacci. So then you do from the bottom to the top. Well, this is our current top, but the higher the top gets, the better the retracement. So yeah. Around 3k, see, is the 618. That would even be a 2k for the 786. But just be prepared for that. And if you're in altcoins, let's say your altcoin, and I'm not saying a little bit in altcoins, I'm saying spread out into the top altcoins that are on the bottom, because they will boom when Bitcoin goes down. Not when it's falling. Like if it falls too fast, alts will fall as well. But if it goes slowly down, yeah, like if it's just doing its market cycle, then it's fine. Then alts will go. So yeah, Bitcoin will drop like 50% in value. That could happen. But if your alts go 100%, guess what? You're on top. You're on top of your game. You're doing good. So yeah, whatever you do when it's falling, and you're too late to have cashed out or went into alts, wait for the retracement back up, right? ABC. I don't want to see you guys failing and panicking and, you know, sending me messages like, oh no, what to do, because I just told you. All right, it's Elliott Wave, and you know my targets, guys. We go to 7, 7.5, 7.7, 8. All right, that's my targets for now. I don't see 10 happening right now, but it could happen. Yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.